Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley from Ashley Teaches ESL, and on my channel you're going to find new videos every week about getting hired as an online ESL teacher, kickstarting your teaching career, and bringing balance to your work and your life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so that you don't miss my new videos coming out every week, packed full of free content for online ESL teachers everywhere. Be sure to also check out my Instagram and Facebook. I will be offering lots of free resources for online ESL teachers on those platforms as well. Today we're going to be continuing to talk about the next best steps that you can take as a new VIPKid teacher after completing your mock class and passing. Whether you're waiting for your background check to go through or waiting for your first class to get booked, there is a ton that you can do to market yourself towards parents and attract students that will be new students at first, and you can make them your regulars to fill up those slots and get the schedule of your dreams. Last time we talked all about your written bio, and today we're going to be talking about your intro video. Your intro video is probably one of the more essential parts of your profile, simply because it's going to be the first time that parents are hearing your voice and how you pronounce things. It'll be the first time that they see kind of how your sentences flow and how you move in your classroom, maybe the props you use or a little bit of your teaching style. It's going to be kind of their little sample of what your class will be like. So it's a very, very important and really awesome marketing tool that you have at your disposal. Just like in your written bio, the most effective way of marketing yourself towards parents and students is showing what is unique about you. What stands out about your teaching style? The trick is you have to show them this in a video that is under 1 minute. But don't let that intimidate you. I'm going to show you guys the best tips and tricks that I have for putting the right things that are going to correctly show and demonstrate how unique your classroom is and keep those students coming back to your class. I'm also going to be showing you the intro video that I've been using since I first got hired at VIPKid. It is a little bit outdated. I probably should really make a new one. It doesn't necessarily have all of the things I'm going to talk about today in it. However, I have been using it since I got hired and it's been pretty effective and worked really well. So I wanted to show it to you guys in order to give you some inspiration. So make sure you stick around till the end so you can see that as well. So the first thing that I want to recommend to you guys is that you make a script of what you're going to say in your video. So you're not just going off the top of your head. That way, if you need to do several takes, they'll all be basically the same and you can decide which one you like, which one you said what better in, and kind of pick the best one out of all of your takes, but you'll be still saying the same information in each one, and you will be much less likely to leave something out that way. This will also help you to organize your video beforehand. That way you can make the most efficient use of your time and get everything in there that you want to say. So when you're writing your script and trying to figure out exactly what you're going to say in your video, you want to start with just a simple introduction, something like, "Hello, welcome to VIPKid. My name's Ashley. I can't wait to see you in my class." Something like that. Then you'll want to end by saying, again, repeating, "I can't wait to see you in my class," and then thank you. You always want to say thank you at the end of whatever you're doing, whether it's writing or a video. Say many thanks. That's something that translates really well into Chinese, is saying many thanks. So that's a good way to end your video and thank the parents for considering you, looking at your account, and watching your video. And if you want, that can be it. You can just welcome them, say your name, express your excitement to see them in class, and then say goodbye. And that can be all in your videos. I've seen plenty of intro videos like that. Those are very satisfactory and they work just fine. However, I do recommend that you add a little something fun in the middle of those two things, just to kind of set yourself apart. Once again, just showing your unique side and kind of demonstrating what makes you different from other teachers and why you're the one that parents should choose to teach their kid. So the first way that you can add something unique to your video is by using some props that you like to use in class, or if you haven't taught a class yet, obviously just something that you're excited about using in class, or a prop that you have that you like, whether it's your kids' toys or a puppet or blowing some bubbles, just something to show the fun side of your classes. The second tip I have is to do a little demonstration of you teaching your student. You can either do one with the volume on and just pretend to teach one word like cat, cat, good job, just something super short like that, because once again you don't have very much time. Or you could do some B-roll, which is just video of you pretending to teach a fake student but with no audio, and then while that silent video is playing you can be talking about things like your class focus, like you've already mentioned in your bio. That's good to mention in your video again as well. So you can talk about the things that you like to focus on in your class as that B-roll of you pretending to teach is playing. I didn't do that in my VIPKid video. However, I did do that in my intro video at Powfish, and it turned out really, really nice. So if you are tech savvy enough to do that, it's not too hard if you have a nice video editing software on your computer. So if you can figure out how to do that, I highly recommend it. Videos turn out super nice. The next thing you can do in your video is say a little something about you, like where you're from, or about your family or your pets. I will tell you right now, kids love pets. I have my cat in my intro video, and every time I get a new video, they're like, "Where's the cat? I want to see your cat." And my students they just love seeing my pets and interacting with them. Sometimes they'll bring their pets to class and they'll like meet and stuff. It's very cute. So if you have any pets, I would definitely recommend putting those in your intro video because the kids just love it. But whatever you do, just keep it short, because once again, I'll say it one more time, you only have 1 minute, less than 1 minute actually. So just focus on keeping things light, demonstrating a little bit of your teaching, maybe saying something a little bit about your life and your personality, but in your intro video you don't really want to worry too much about mentioning certifications or your experience. That's what your bio's for. This is more to just show your fun side and make you a little bit more personable to the student and the parent. The next thing I want to mention is that you do want to be sure to use very simple language in your video. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and don't use any crazy vocabulary. Just keep it very simple. Most of your students will not speak English very well, and a lot of times the parents will not speak English very well either. So using that simple language is very important so that both the parent and student can understand at least the idea that you're trying to convey. So keep the language short and sweet and try to convey the energy that you're trying to put forth with visuals. I've also even seen some intro videos with Chinese subtitles, and if you can figure out how to do that, that would be amazing. Those videos are really cool because then the parent and the student can even read along and see exactly what you're saying. So I know that there's a lot of editing software out there that will allow you to do that. So once again, if you're a tech savvy person and you know how to do that, that would be really impressive and super convenient for the parents watching your video. The last tip I have for you is to simply make sure that you are looking your best in your intro video. I'm not really the kind of person who wears a ton of makeup in my classes, but in my intro video, I've got a full face of makeup, my hair is done, I'm wearing an orange shirt. So those 3 things are all really good to do. Just with the orange shirt, it's not required, but it does make you look like you're a part of the VIPKid team, so it's good to represent there if you have an orange shirt available to you. The parent's entire opinion of you is going to be based on appearance, the appearance of your bio, your video, and of you as a person. So it's good to look your best. You also, another part of this is just getting good lighting, getting in an area that has really nice lighting. It doesn't have to be on your class background if you don't have very good lighting where your background is quite yet. You can go outside or just somewhere that has like good natural light coming in so that you can be looking your best in your intro video. So now I do want to go ahead and show you guys my first ever intro video that I have been using since I got hired. Like I mentioned before, it is by no means perfect, but it has worked really well for me since I got hired. So I hope it gives you some inspiration, and let's check it out.
Hello, my name is Teacher Ashley, and welcome to VIPKid. In my class, we practice English, we play games, we meet new friends, but most importantly, we love to have fun. I can't wait to see you in my classroom. Bye-bye. Say bye, Sammy.
So once again, in this video, I think probably the most important things that I did were adding those unique things like props and my cat, and just being myself and letting my personality shine in my video. So if you don't take anything else away from this video, take that. Let your personality shine, and those bookings will come to you, because there is a student out there looking specifically for your personality, your teaching style, and your classroom, and they will find you if you are able to market yourself effectively. So that was my video. I hope that it was helpful and gave you the inspiration that you're looking for, maybe gave you some ideas for your own video. I will link some more intro video examples in the description as well, so you can see kind of what other teachers are doing and maybe get some ideas from them as well. And if you have any questions about what you could put in your video, or maybe what's not a good idea, or just anything related to the VIPKid application process at all, you can just hit me up down in the comments. You can email me, whatever you prefer, and I would love to answer those questions and connect with you. I did want to mention that I am also a hiring and referral coach at VIPKid, so I would love to help you out getting hired if you do not yet have a referral coach. So once again, just shoot me an email and I'd be happy to send you all of the free resources that I offer to my referrals. Don't forget to also keep an eye out for my next video coming out. It's going to be all about how to take the perfect profile picture for your VIPKid account and how to select the right lifestyle pictures that will effectively market you and attract parents and students to your account. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!